And let me say this without any language. Because the love has its own language. And the name of that language is simply the love. That is why in this Shabad, Guru is mostly talking in the Persian language and he is using the Islamic terminology as well. When Guru says, Karte Kudrati Mushtaq, O my loving Creator, Almighty God, I am always attracted by looking at the things. I am attracted by the creativity of yours. दीन दुनिया एक तू ही सब खल्क ही ते पाक. Now, what I feel deep down in my heart that you are the one who is the master of this world and the next world as well. You are the master of this worldly power or the political power, and you are the master of the spirituality as well. Deen Dunya Ek To Hi. You are the only one who is the master of the both of the worlds. Sab Khalq Hi Te Pak. But still, thou, you are everywhere. You are within the each and every living or non-living beings. But you are always detached from the vices of all of them. Then Guru says, Khin mahe thap uthap da acharj tere roop. This is the real greatness of yours. You can create the things within an instant and you can destroy them as well within an instant. And this is the wondrous manifestations of yours. Kaun jaane chalt tere andhyare mehndeep. Who can explain thy mysteries? Who can explain the play of yours? Means how can we say this? How can we understand this? Because Almighty God is always beyond the limits of our brain. But Guru says, you are the one who is always there to light up in the darkness. Means, you are the one who gave us all the knowledge as well. Khud khasm khalq jahan Allah, meherwan khudaye. O my compassionate God, you yourself are the master of the human beings and you are the one who is the master of this world. Din sarain je tud arade, so kyon dozak jaye. The one who remembers you day and night means always. How can he go to the hell? Means he would never be punished. And the person who remembers you, all the sins and all the bad deeds are washed away. That is why he is never supposed to be sent to the hell. Azrail yar bande jis tera aadhar. Once again, Guru is using all the Islamic terminology. Azrail is the name of the angel of death according to the Islamic terminology. Guru says, O my loving God, even the angel of death, Azrail, he becomes a friend to the person who always takes your support. Means, a person who always remembers you and feels that you are the main support for him. Even the Azrail, the angel of death, becomes a friend for him. Gunah uske sagal aafun tere jan dekhen didar. And all the sins would be washed away for him all the sins would be eradicated. For the person who comes and sits in the holy company of the saints of yours, O my loving God, the people who love you, the person who sits in their holy company, all the sins of him would be washed away. दुनिया चीज फिलहाल सगले सच सुख तेरा नाम. Guru Arjan, the fifth master, he says, O my loving God, all the visible things of this world, all of them, they are very short-lived. Because all the things of this world are very short-lived, that is why the peace and the happiness derived from them is short-lived as well. So how can we get the eternal peace and happiness? Guru says, my loving God, only your remembrance is the only thing which brings the eternal peace and happiness. Gurmil Nanak Bujya Sada Ekas Gaon. Meeting with the true Guru, I have got the idea. Meeting with the true Guru, I have got the ultimate truth that the remembrance of Almighty God is the guarantee for the eternal happiness and for the eternal peace. So finally, let us try our level best to understand the holy teachings of the Guru so that we can feel the same thing. We can feel the beauty of the things in this world, but by the teachings of the Guru, we can feel the existence of Almighty God while looking on the beautiful things of this world. Thank you very much for joining us today, and sorry for any mistakes. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.